Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods, and I've got an interesting video for you today about a new strategy and a new platform that you can potentially get a lot of traffic from. So we're going to go into it real quickly. So this strategy is a copy and paste strategy to make money online. Now obviously you will be doing some copying and pasting for sure, but you will need to understand the process and also be consistent with it. You can't just do it once or twice and expect any real results. You are going to have to, make a business out of it and be consistent, and then it can work for you. So just like anything online, you can't just do something and then overnight expect to be making thousands of dollars or something like that, right? So we're going to go into it, and we are on the site right now, and I will reveal this site in a second. But step one, we're going to sign up for an affiliate network. I'll show you a couple of those and that you've probably already heard of. Step two, you're going to collect some video assets offered to you from the affiliate vendor. So they already did the work and created the videos for you, and we can actually utilize them. And we actually have the permission to utilize them. And then step three, we're going to sign up to this new video hosting platform like YouTube, but it's a different platform, and it's new and upcoming. So that's your opportunity to get in on this. And I'm actually going to be signing up for it and doing some testing on the platform as well. And then what it will allow you to do is get views and money, and then you will rinse and repeat. So let's jump into the strategy. So number one, you need to sign up for either Clickbank. Clickbank is a really good one because you don't have to wait for somebody to approve you to use the platform. You can sign up for an account, and then you will be able to find products, and most of the products, probably 95% of the products, do not require the vendor to, check out your profile and all that, and then actually manually approve you. You will be able to just promote any product you want on the site. So this is a great one to get started. And then there's another one that's called Digi24. It doesn't have as many products on there, but it does have a good trust score, and it is a good platform as well to get started with this stuff. So we're going to go back and just use Clickbank today. So I'm going to go ahead and log in real quick. And then once you're on the platform, I don't do a whole lot of promoting on Clickbank, but I have some links out there, and looks like I made $17 a few days ago. That's cool. It just has not been the platform that I use, on a weekly basis. But there are plenty of people out there making, hundreds of dollars a day or thousands of dollars a day on this site. I'm sure you guys have seen a lot of videos about that, so I'm not going to go into that. It is kind of cool. I do have a sale there just to show you that it does work. You can make sales on this website. I do not focus on this site. Otherwise I would have a lot more sales in here. And so what you're going to do is we're going to come over here to the marketplace and click on marketplace. And then we can go through here there's different categories, right? You can do a drop down and you can get really specific, but one little secret I use to just see what the best products are is to just click the search button without putting anything in the box. And then it's going to pull up the top by gravity or by rank. It's going to pull up the best selling ones to use right now. So we're going to scroll down here. There's actually a diabetes freedom one, which looks really, really cool. It's got a 278 gravity score. So that one is doing really well. So it would work with that as well. We're going to just scroll through here, and it's nice to see this little symbol here as well, where it says reoccurring. When it says reoccurring, that means that you have a chance to make reoccurring monthly commissions on your sale. So you make one sale, you can make a sale every month for just making one sale. So those are really good products to focus on. So then you have a chance to make more money from just one sale. You only have to go out and do the work one time, and then you can get paid multiple times every month you can get paid. So here's one right here. It's the custom keto diet. The keto diet is still, the most popular diet. I know in the United States, it's the number one most popular diet right now, and it has been for a couple of years. So we're going to go ahead and check this out. You can actually go and check out the sales page by just clicking on it. It'll open up the sales page, and you can see it's just very high quality. It has, this stuff is, created by professional copywriters. and they get this and optimize it for sales and for conversions. So it's just a really simple landing page that has a video. And if they're interested after watching the video, then they can click on here to get, and all you have to do is just send people to this site right here through your affiliate link, and you can make money from that, right? All right, so what we need to do is go back to Clickbank and see how all this works. So when you're on right here looking at the custom keto diet, you can see that you're gonna make $49.63 per sale on average. And you can go over here and you can go to the affiliates page, right? So you have all those different stats. I mean, the gravity's 345 other people in the last, I believe, 2 weeks have made sales on this. So it's really converting really well. It does have a reoccurring commission structure right here, so that's nice to see. And it's available in multiple countries. So this is a great offer. So in order to get your affiliate link, all you need to do is just click the promote button and grab your user ID and then generate the link. And then once you generate the link, then you just take this copy this, and you can put this in the description after we go and get a video, or you can go to bit.ly and shorten that URL, which I recommend. So that's how you grab your affiliate link. But let's go check out this little link right here that says affiliate page. We're going to click on that affiliate page real quick, and you're going to go ahead and sign up real quick. So I'm just going to put in my name. And here we are. We're in the back office of the custom keto diet, and this is just all this is specifically created for the affiliates. And there's all kinds of different stuff. If you wanted banners, you can get all the different banners that you could use. If you have a website and you have a ton of traffic and it's in the health niche, then it would, be a good thing to get some of these banners and put them on your website as well. They have some really good graphics here, so you can use all those. There's social media stuff you can put out there. You can download different social media packs. And then there's lead magnets. You can go through, they have just some really good stuff. Landing page, if you wanted to do it, but you had to download this to view them. But what we're interested in is coming down here to the video section. We can click on videos, and there's a lot of stuff. How to start a keto diet, intermittent fasting and keto. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So they have 12 videos done for you right now. So you already have a start for this business. And this product, you already have 12 videos done for you. So all you have to do is go over here and click the download button. It's going to download, and I'll come back when that is downloaded. Actually, while that is downloading, we'll just go ahead and go to the site that we're going to be getting our traffic from. So I'm going to come back over here to our notepad. And so step 3, so where you just now grabbed the video asset from here, right? And then we have step 3, we're going to sign up to the new video hosting platform that's like YouTube, but it's new and no one really knows about it. And so we're going to go ahead and check that out. So it's called Brighton. So Brighton, you can see up here, Brighton.com. This is the site, and it's kind of more aimed at free speech. So they're not gonna, the way I take it is they're not going to filter out your videos. If you want to talk about politics and not have a fear of getting your profile and everything shut down because you're talking about politics, then they're not going to care. They're going to let you say whatever you want. So kind of a cool thing. I think that this is going to grow as more and more people learn about this, and more public figures get their social media accounts taken down. This becomes more something that people want to gravitate towards, right? So it's really easy. You're just going to go and create a new account, right? So we're going to create a new account, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just signed up for my account on Brighton, and there are a couple steps. You have to go back to your email and click on a link and then go and set up your account. So it takes less than 5 minutes. And then now it says that we need to log in. We are approved, and then click on the login to the top right, and as a content creator. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and log in right here and just push leave. And then I'm going to put in my information, which was that. And so now we're logged in. We're actually logged into the dashboard. It does take a little bit of time. I'm going to push save there. And you can see and scroll through here. You could get ideas for different videos and stuff and what's getting a lot of views. But look right here, 40,000 views, and this was posted yesterday. 33,750 views. This was posted yesterday. 60 views. This one right here, 46,000, 1,800. So plenty of people watching on the site. Oh yeah, one other thing that I forgot to do was show you, if we go over here to Similar Web and click on this, you can see that it's actually in the United States ranked 4,694. So solid website. It's just an up and coming website, and 12,000 globally. It's got a good bounce rate. People are visiting 3 pages before they exit and spending some good time. But here's the key number. Almost 6 million people now checking out the site. And then it's high quality traffic. It's United States. 60% of the traffic is from the United States. Then you have Canada, United Kingdom, Greece, Australia, all English speaking. And so this is a really good upcoming site that you can get in on now, while you could actually grow a following on it. So we're logged in, and all you would do is come back over here and go to show in folder, and then you would right click right here, and then you would extract all and show. It's going to have the video file right here. We can double click on it, and you can see you have the video right here that they produced for you. It's almost 4 minutes long, and it's them talking about it, right? And we don't have to look at that right now. But right now, what we can do is come over to here and do upload a video. So we can upload that video. We can come back and over to here, and all you have to do is just come over to here and drag and drop that video into here. And you can say something like, use this keto diet to help you on your path. Something. You can do some keyword research, put something in there. You could put the keto diet, the custom keto diet, custom keto diet. And then you can fill out the description, right? And then put in some keywords. So real nice interface, super easy. You can make it public. Video category, put it in a category. Schedule settings. You can actually schedule this post or this video. And then right here, we're on free and paid. And so what I believe they have is you're allowed to upload. I don't know where it actually says it, but you're allowed to upload about 50 videos. And then they have some type of paid platform or premium platform. So that is the strategy. You can go and check out Brighton, sign up an account, and just go back over the steps. So really easy. I mean, you saw how I copied and pasted. I did not create a video. I dragged and dropped, copy and pasted this onto a new video hosting platform that's getting 6 million views per month that I've never heard of, which is awesome, right? That's the traffic sources that you want to check out, because, you know, it won't be as hard to gain momentum on these platforms because there's not as many people publishing content on the platforms. And so then step 2, we collected our video, right, from a vendor we found and a product we found on Clickbank. And then we went and signed up to the new hosting platform, and then we basically published our video. So the method is that you will get views, these will be targeted views, and you can drive people back to that page where people that are interested in the keto diet will go on and check that out, and a certain percentage of them will click on to buy, and you will make a commission on that. And then you would rinse and repeat. And after you exhaust all those videos, right? So after you exhaust all these videos, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way through 12, you can go to YouTube and also get Creative Commons content and then put some good videos together and keep hitting this product, you know, as long as you want. But then you can also go back to Clickbank and find other products after you've spent a lot of time promoting one of the products. You can just go back up and find another one and rinse and repeat. So that's some affiliate marketing for you. And all this is free. It's free for you to do this type of make money online opportunity. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe so you can don't miss out on my next video. Till next time, take care.